Good morning, it's Scott with Scott Off-Road. How are we doing today? We are working on the JK. We are going to start a fridge slide. Then I have to move my fire extinguisher, which is fine. All right, just about done for the day. This is kind of a multi-purpose item, and I've ran into a couple issues. Let me explain to you what those issues are, and also the purpose. The first purpose was a box to hold the cooler in, and I think this is going to work perfectly. I can't finish it though because I don't have the slides. Once I get the slides, I'll remove these two spacers, put the slides in, and snug up the box so it's as small as it can be. However, I do need to keep almost 2 inches of clearance on the sides for cooling on the fan. I also have to have 4 inches on the back, which that isn't an issue. This also gives me a place to mount items on this side and to hang a few minor items, hang a few smaller items on this side. Now, some of the issues I've ran into, because I lifted this lip here on the shelf, there's a lip on the bottom, raises the cooler enough that I have to move the fire extinguisher, and I also have to trim the shelf. So that's where I'm at now. I got to go in and order the hinges, and then once they get in, we'll go to the next step. All right, let's finish up the video on this refrigerator slide. Let's get you guys out to the shop so you can build your own. Not a lot of plywood was used on this. Some indoor, outdoor automotive carpet, some adhesive glue or spray adhesive, and staples. That's really all I used. And it worked. And it works great. I ordered some hinges from Amazon. They showed up. They were rated at 100 pounds. They have locks. Work great. I'm not a carpenter. I don't have carpentry skills. I don't have that gene in me. But I'm happy with it. But I saw some room for improvement that I didn't see anyone else do. Let's check this out. Here we are. Wow, check this out. Thought we were doing a video on refrigerator slides. Where's it at? This is pretty awesome. What I'm liking about this, I have a place for my hatchet, I have a place for a light, I have additional storage for tools or anything else I may have here. And of course, you know we're not overlanders without patches. So, got place for patches. But that's not all. There's the cooler. And what? Check this out. I have not seen anyone else out there do this, and I don't know why. Now the plan is, eventually I'm going to have a camp table or a tailgate table on here so I can cook and prepare food on my table. I can pull out my refrigerator and get my food. And then as I'm preparing, well, there's my knife. I can chop things up. A lighter, I can light my stove, stir, cook, open cans, season the food. Everything right there, right next to the table. Why hasn't anyone else done this? I'm not a smart man, but I figured this out. The one thing I will do that is different on this is right now this is plywood. I would like to find, I have seen it, it is a laminate countertop material that's a topographical map. I want to get that, put that on the inside of this so I can wipe it off so if food gets on it, it's not a big deal to clean. I haven't been able to find it to source it and order it. If I can't find it, I may actually just go with a hodgepodge and a topical map and actually laminate one to this, then clear coat epoxy over it. So this part's still in progress, but that's cool. I am proud of that. With regards to the refrigerator, if you haven't seen that video, check out the link, wherever that's at, probably right over my face. And I'll tell you about what I think on this rough country refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a blessed day. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.